What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Windows Update files to free up space on your PC. Windows stores update files on your system even after installation, which can take up unnecessary disk space. To remove these files, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in the taskbar or pressing Windows and E on your keyboard. In the left panel, scroll down and select this PC. Now, locate your local disk, C, which is where Windows is installed. Double-click on it to open. Next, find and open the Windows folder. Scroll down until you see a folder named Software Distribution and double-click to open it. Inside this folder, look for another folder called Download. This is where Windows Update files are stored. To delete these files, use the shortcut Ctrl and A to select all items inside the Downloads folder. Then, right-click the selected files and choose Delete. If prompted, confirm the action and provide administrator permission by clicking Yes when Windows asks for it. Once the files are deleted, they'll be moved to the recycle bin. To permanently remove them, open the recycle bin, click on Empty Recycle Bin at the top and confirm the action. This will erase the update files completely from your system. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.